Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, in this video we are going to be making almond bread. Yes, healthy almond bread is what we are going to be making. So without wasting much of your time, we are just going to dive into the video. Guys, over here are all my recipe. So over here I have coconut oil, baking powder, vanilla extract, almond powder. So this is also almond powder. While over here is olive oil, baking soda, organic honey. This is Manuka organic honey. Over here I have 3 eggs, my measuring cup. So guys, we are just going to start by combining the wet ingredients together. So I'm going to start with my eggs. So first of all, I'm going to break my eggs in a separate bowl to see if the egg is okay. It's very good you break your egg in a separate bowl before adding it into your main mixing bowl. So this two is okay. I'm going to take the third one. Yeah, perfect. So the next thing which I'm going to be adding is my olive oil. So I will be using my 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm also going to try to list the ingredients in my description box. So this is my coconut oil. This is organic coconut oil. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. So the next which I'm going to be adding is my vanilla extract. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of it to it. That is a half teaspoon. So the next which I'm going to be adding is my honey. So I will be using 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of my honey. This is it, 1 tablespoon of honey. You can also add sugar if you want, but I don't like to use sugar because at the moment I don't have my organic sugar. So that is why I'm using honey. I'm just going to try to. So guys, the wet ingredients is okay. So on a separate bowl, I'm going to be adding my almond milk. 2 cups of almond powder is what I'm going to be adding. This is 1 cup. And this is the second cup. So this is just half. I will be pouring it, which is 2.5 cups. So I will be adding half teaspoon of my baking powder. So this is my half teaspoon. That is it. Also, I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of my baking soda to it. You can add salt if you wish it. So what I'm going to do is just to combine the ingredients together. While we get started, so I'm going to whip it together. make sure everything is well combined before we can add our So guys, this is how it looks after about 2 minutes of whipping. So what I'm going to do now is just to add my almond powder little by bit. At this time guys, my oven is already preheated. So guys, it's ready now. It's ready and it's ready. So this is my pan. I'm just going to saturate it. You can use butter, olive oil or coconut oil just to grease your pan. You can also add some pepper sheets to it. So I will be transferring it into my pan. Guys, it's about to go to the oven now, so I'm going to bake it for about 1 hour in the oven. Then I will show you guys when it's ready. This is how it looks now. Guys, our almond bread is ready. Delicious almond bread. So what I'm going to do is just to flip it over. So I brought it out of the oven about 10 minutes ago, so I just allow it to sit. So this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do is just to give it a course. This is so healthy, tasty, and yummy. This is how it looks. It looks so delicious, guys. This is very good. If you don't want to add weight, it's very good. It's very nice. It looks so delicious, yummy, and oh, thank you also so much. And if this is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. And the Lord God will bless you. Bye bye, and see you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.